Morning all. We are today doing the back of the guy's driveway we done last week. He asked us to come back and do the back patio here. Very dirty, as you can see. We're just tidying up the garden at the moment, getting everything out of the way, ready. Here she is. Weather don't look too good today. It's going to be a bit on and off rain and sunshine, but we're not re-sanding today, so we should be fine. We've got this little bit here, comes down the side here, a little bit of the side there, and then we come back round here. Look at me, she's happy there, look. And then we come round to this side. Water supply is there, so we're going to pull the buffer tank out, put it in the garden, fill it up, and then we're going to give this a nice lovely clean for them. You ready, babe?
Yeah.
Yay.
Looking already much better. Beautiful.
Right guys, we're now adding some sodium hypochlorite because this one is black. So it's coming up lovely now. So I'm just going to treat this first, rinse this one down, and then we're going to go and have a cup of tea. And we're going to leave this for 20 minutes, 25 minutes, and then we'll have a cup of tea, come back, rinse it off, and then we're going to treat the other side. We've got a party next door, guys.
Party next door.
Right guys, we've just put sodium hypochlorite back on this section now. These stones are absolutely black. But starting to work now, so we're going to give this one another 20 minutes, 25 minutes, and then we'll rinse that down. Put some on the wall form as well. And yeah, things are looking nice now. Well done. Gonna have to put a bit of neat stuff on this, I think, because this ain't coming up here. But I'll rinse it off and then I'll put a little bit of neat sodium hypochlorite on it. How you doing, babe? She should have had a bloody mask on. Nah, she's only been here for a couple of minutes while I've been doing it, so right, gonna go back to the car and have another cup of tea, me darling.
Yes, another cup of tea.
Another cup of tea. Weather has been absolutely awful today. It gets sunny for about 10 minutes, then it absolutely pours it down. So anyway guys, I sound a bit quiet, I've got a mask on. Right guys, we put some hypo down, but it's really staying in with it, so we're just going to left it for about half hour and then to leave it now, going over it with a surface cleaner. It seems to be bringing a bit of it up, so brilliant. Right guys, this one's just drying out. Come up nice in the end. Put about 2 coats, or 3 coats, sorry, of sodium hypochlorite down, just to bring it up. But yeah, looking very good. She's just finishing off the windows, ain't you, darling?
Yes.
Yeah. Still a bit patchy in places just where it's wet, but overall looking very good. Right guys, she's just going to finish up the window cleaning, so take care and we will see you on the next video, and thanks for watching. See you soon. Let's say bye for the camera.
Bye.
See you later guys.
See ya.